Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to lecture series of New Secondary Mathematics 2 or Book 2 Updated Edition. Dear students, today we will attempt exercise 1A, question number 1. Dear students, D2 के solution के लिए आपको separate playlist मेरे चैनल पर मिल जाएगी. इसके अलावा आप Facebook पेज विजिट कर सकते हैं to get the solution of the exercises. So without wasting time, let's start with. Dear students, we have to find the value of each of the following in question number 1. Dear students, we have been given fractions and we have to find the value. So what you have to do is, you have to solve the bracket first. You have to target the bracket first. You have to focus on the bracket first. So we have the bracket, and in the bracket we have mixed number. So first we have to make it a fraction because we have fraction over here, fraction over here. So first we have to convert mixed number into a fraction. For 2 times 8, you have to multiply this for 2 times 8 and then you have to add this one. For 2 times 8 and 8 plus 1, 9, and there is a minus sign as well. So now, dear students, we have the bracket and we have to solve it. Minus minus will give you plus. Now you have to solve these fractions. You have to add, subtract these fractions. You can see the addition subtraction sign over here. Dear students, for adding and subtracting the fraction, you have to make the denominator same first. So how can we make the denominator same? I mean to say, we have to find the equivalent fraction. Now in the denominator you have 5, 4 and 2. So we have to take the LCM of, I can write 2, 4 and 5. So I can start with 2 to 1 times, to 2 times and 5. Now again to 1 times, to 1 times and 5. Now we have 5. Now you can see the LCM would be 2 into 2 into 5, 20. We have the LCM 20. It's mean that we have to make the denominator 20. So I'm converting these fractions into equivalent fraction. So I can make it 20 by multiplying by 4. So dear student, you also have to multiply the numerator by the same number to get the equivalent fraction of 8 by 5. Similarly, to make it 20, you have to multiply it by 5. So its numerator is also multiplied by 5. Now here you have to make it 20, so you will multiply it by 10. So here also you have to multiply it by 10. Now, dear student, you got 8 4 times 32, and don't forget this minus sign. Then 9 5 times 45 and 5 4 times 20. Then 10 1 times 10 and 10 2 times 20. Now you can see that you got the equivalent fraction which is denominator 20. So now you can easily solve the numerator. When the denominator is same, you can simplify the numerator, that is minus 32 plus 45 and minus 10. Now, dear student, you have to solve the numerator minus 32 plus 45 and then minus 10. So you can calculate it manually. Minus 32 plus 45, you will get the answer. And then you subtract 10 from here. Minus plus minus, you will subtract it. And then you will subtract 10 from here, so you will get 3 by 20. Now you can see that you got an improper fraction and like you can't simplify it furthermore. So it's mean that this is your final. Dear students, the B part is also same. First, you have to convert the mixed number into a proper into a fraction. So we can solve this bracket minus minus plus 3 by 4, because first you have to target the brackets. Now in the bracket, first you have to convert this mixed number into a fraction. 10 4 times 40. You have to multiply these two, 10 4 times 40 and plus 1. You will get 41 by 10 and there is a minus sign. Now one more bracket which is left, and this mixed number also 6 5 times 30 and 131 plus minus minus. Now dear students, you have to get the equivalent fraction in order to proceed. So how will you get the equivalent fraction? You have to take the LCM 4, 10 and 5. So take the LCM to 2 times 4 to 5 times 10s, and then 5 again by 2 to 1 times 2, 5 as it is. Then you have 5 1 times 5, 5 1 times 5. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 5 to 2 times 4 for 4 times, 2 times 4 for 5 times 20. So LCM is 20. It means you have to make the denominator 20. So this can be done as 20 by multiplying by 4. So you have to multiply the numerator as well by 4 to get the equivalent fraction. Now here also you have to multiply by 5 to get 20. So here also you will multiply by 5. To get 20 here you will multiply by 2, and here also you will multiply by 2. So you will see that you will get 31 4 times, 124, and 5 4 times 20, 5 3 times 15, and 5 4 times 20, 82, then 20. Now dear student, you can easily simplify it. It's 124 plus 15 minus 82. So 124 plus 15, you can do it like this. You will get 139, and then you have to subtract 82 from here. You will get 57, and here you get 57 by 20. Now student, you can see that it's an improper fraction, so we can divide it. 57 by divided by 20, 22 times 40. So you will get 2 whole 17 by 20. You have to write in this way. This is whole 2 whole 17 by 20. And dear student, the C part is very much similar. So we will attempt the D part, and in D part minus 4 we will solve the bracket first. 8 3 times 24 and plus 1. 25 by 8, and here plus minus minus. Now we can solve this one bracket as well, plus minus minus. Okay. Now dear students, we have to make denominator same. हमने denominator को same करना है. Mean to say that हमने equivalent fraction find करनी है. So you can see here, like we can write it here 1, so that we have fractions. So now we will take the LCM of 8 and 3. So it will be 2 1 times 2, and then the 3, and 3 1 times 3. You got the LCM 24. So it's mean that you have to make the denominator as 24. So we will multiply here 24. So here also we have to multiply by 24. Here to make it 24, we have to multiply it by 3. So here also we have to multiply 3. And here we have to multiply by 8 to get 24, and here also. So now you can see that we have equivalent fraction 24 1 times 24 and 24 4 times. We will have 96 and the minus sign. And then here 24 and 75, 32 and 24. So now you can see that we have equivalent fraction, so we can simplify it. So simplifying it, you will get 203 by 24. You can see that now you can divide it. So now you have to divide it. So 203 divided by 24. 24, we can do it 8 times. So it will give you 192, and then you have to 2, and the subtraction will give you 11. So it will give you 8 whole 11 by. Dear students, E part is also same, so you can attempt it. Hopefully you understand question number 1 of the basic level of exercise 1A. So मुझे comment section में ज़रूर बताइए